What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, stocks bounced back today, and we got to talk all about it, man. But before we do that, please let me know if you did your thing today. If you got in your bag today, I want to hear all about it. As well as do not forget to please like and subscribe and make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. We are going to go ahead and unpack the day it was, because I know if you rock with me, I know you guys did your thing on the day. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Listen, guys, I first want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Shout out to everybody that made money. I want to bring out the charts to get us started, and I want you guys to follow along with me on this one. Check this out, just a little technical work just to kind of illustrate what went down. Okay, this is the 30-minute chart, and you remember I was teaching you guys off of this chart not too long ago for the sake of making sure that you guys understood that what was going on in the market. Okay, and so I had a 30-minute chart here circle for you guys, but check this out. We had a technical breakout today, but I was telling you guys originally when we first broke down here, I said the next level would be us coming down to test this support line right here. Okay, and so but what ended up happening is we end up going sideways. Okay, there was a lot of sideways trading that instead of us going right down to that level, guys, it started trading sideways. Okay, and with it trading sideways, what ended up taking place was the 48 begin to be resistance. Look at that resistance. Look at these levels of resistance, and then right here, guys, we finally broke through. Not only did we get a couple candles above, but then we got the technical breakout here with the 13 crossing above the 48. And as you can see, guys, it took us back to this 436 level. And so I bring this up because, guys, you need to understand from a technical standpoint. Okay, we talked about well in advance where the stock will come down to. I told you guys, look for the SPY to come to 431, 432 ish. It hit that level, and let's dive back into the chart. When it hit that level, it hit what's called support. Okay, this is support right here. It hit this level of support, and then, guys, we bounced off support today after trading sideways and at this level for the past few days. We bounced, and then boom, we broke through. Now we are flagging. Okay, this is where the term flags come from, because typically, if all goes well, we may want to flag and go a little higher, possibly going back to test that 440 range or that level. However, check this out, guys. We have some catalysts, some news on the horizon for tomorrow and the remainder of this week. So write this word down. I need you guys to be on the lookout for what's known as a false breakout. A false breakout is to the upside. Okay, so for example, we may be thinking we're going to run to 440, and then they'll use one of the news events to bring the stock back down. We had a false breakdown when it got to 431, 432. Although we caught these levels spot on to a T, when it got to 431, many was thinking, oh, we're going to go to 427, and they're calling all these lower levels out. And again, nothing wrong with that, because if we do lose the level of 431, we would go to 427 next. However, it was a false breakdown because we just tested the level, played around there for a few days, and then now we had a technical break on a 30-minute chart back to the upside, which took us to 432, 433, 434, 435. Now, as you can see, guys, at the time it's recording, sitting at 436. So I just wanted to put that on you guys, just so you understand from a technical standpoint, why are we so surgical? How do we consistently win and dominate the stock market? It's because of this, guys. Please make sure you get in the Discord so you can get this info each and every day beforehand, so that you know what the market is going to do each and every day. All right, with that being said, guys, check it out. Apple reached a new all-time high today. sitting at 188.25 at the time of this recording. 188.39-ish was around that all-time high. It is continuing to make no all-time high, so please do not short this. Please do not bet against it. Yes, on a small downward move, guys, we got supported at 185. So if you guys want to make some money, for example, on a down day, we'll go from here to 185. All right, but don't get too happy beyond that, because all we're doing is just pulling back to get more momentum to head back to the upside. Okay, that's just some technical game for you guys. But sitting here at 188 on the week, it is up 2%. I want to say shout out to the money team. If you are part of the money team, you already know what goes down. You already know how we get down. All right. With that being said, guys, also Tesla woke up today. All right. It was very imperative that on that pullback yesterday, they tried to take us down to 239, that 241, 239 level. At the time of this, ticker symbol TSLA, we're sitting at 250. Okay. And that is a $10 move from 249. All right, 239. And so look at this $9, 3.7% move we're having at the time of this recording. And again, we got back above key resistance levels to be able to recapture this 250 level. Again, guys, it's important to understand these things on your journey. Major salute to anybody that made money in Tesla today. Please let me know down in the comments below. Okay. Next, guys, I wanted to look at SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. You guys already know we are building out our position in this at around that $8 level, but today we're up 5%. This is why it pays to buy, pays to dollar cost average, pays to be adding to your position when the stocks is low, or when we have those red days or those pullbacks. Because when you're in an uptrend, you have to understand the pullback is just really buying opportunities, or as I refer to them as going shopping. Okay, because ultimately we're pulling back, we're cooling off, only to resume the move back to the upside. All right, so the next time that you see this come back down to $8.12, $8.18, $8, $7.95, your cue has to be, let me buy now, because a day or two later, a week or two later, this will be back up 5% or more. Okay, because these are what's called growth stocks. These are your runners. They can take off a lot higher than no knock to Apple and the little great day it's having, new all-time highs, but it's still not on a level from a growth perspective of this stock or this next one. PLTR, ticker symbol PLTR. Okay, this one too is up 5%. Okay, so example, know the difference. You'll have your quality blue chip companies that will be up 1%, 3%. That's what's considered a good day for them. These can be up 5%, 12%, something like how Tesla does. Okay, that's what these have the power to do. That's why we buy them low. Okay, don't let nobody ever tell you anything about these stocks if they're not being bought low. We buy these low in an effort to ride them high. Okay, and that's all we're doing with things like SoFi, things like PLTR. We're taking a few runners, investing in quality the majority of the other time, putting our money in dividend stocks and making sure we're generating passive income, reoccurring income, and then we let a couple runners run on our behalf, okay, just to expedite the money growing process. All right, but I want to say major salute to you guys, because I know you all had a phenomenal day in the market today. Please let me know down in the comments below. I want to hear all about it, and I want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work. Keep showing up every day, keep putting in the work, because that's the only way you will continue to improve on this journey. Okay, there's no silver bullet. It's all about showing up, doing the work each and every day, listening to the intel, listening to the plays we call out in the huddle, and then you going out and executing on those, doing your best to manage your risk, doing your best to keep your emotions in check, doing your best to see profit and take profit, and reminding yourself each and every day not to get greedy. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.